In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story music feature not working. So what you want to do is first open up settings, then you want to go to general and then on iPhone storage. From here, you want to find Instagram. You would click on Instagram and then you would click on offload app. Once you have done that, try it again. If that also doesn't work, come back, delete the app and reinstall it again. And one more thing you can do is go to App Store or Google Play Store, type in Instagram and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And from there you will be able to post a story with music. So just come here, post, click on music and then add the music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.